pretty eyes so far.
I love you, baboy. I hate
So sweet. Faded still with me.
you. Okay, wala na si Peggy. I don't know why.
Faded is only my supporter, you know. He's the one giving me a cash or give me a dollar here.
Every day. Nagtry si Michael Jones.
Ay, oh, Michael Jones po di ay.
Si Kuan, si... Ano man pala ko si ba itong...
Si Michael Jones and Faded. Maura.
Ano po si Peggy?
Maura.
Si Cassandra kasi wiper.
At least dog kong hinatagan, di ba?
Kuan po. Sa akin po 1,000. Dili.
Why, baby? Mapo, it depends lang po sa people.
Lagi depends sa lagi. Not every day.
How funny. Elry, what's funny? Are you a supporter or you're fucking...
You're so annoying.
If you're not my supporter, go to the hell. If you're a basher, go to the hell. Dying inside. Na 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 na.
Gan kayo basher, girl.
My average monthly income from my online business is approximately 885 million peso. 885
Congratulations.
million ba ni or thousand?
Hello guys.
1,885,000 pesos.
8,885 peso.
885,000.
That's pretty
It's
guys. That's the one that I
almost
can
1
That's
million.
her YouTube channel.
Almost.
You can subscribe her.
115,000 more to be a
Subscribe her
million.
guys.
I don't even have a PayPal. I have a GCash.
He broke.
Show your friend's face. Oh. She feels shy. Filipina Pocondes is here.
Hello guys, don't forget to subscribe me. We're already
120 peso. 120 peso. Hoy, it's $2 na.
That's her YouTube channel.
Near 16,000 USD.
Why Baboy Baboy is messaging me guys. I will ignore you Baboy. Just like you ignore me.
O, dahil wala ka sa live ni Kuan. Kaya to aday ka ni Kuan na. Baboy ba?
Baboy?
Ako lang agtang.
Siya ba ito iniingon mismo nga na sa TV? I'm just joking Baboy, oy. Jen and Rochelle is not friend anymore.
Wala mo yun, no?
Buong mo siya.
Gamay na ganita.
Mag-ubal.
Pagkingana pa mo, oy.
Mag-ubad pa silang kamatay.
Open naman siguro na si Rochelle good. Pero
Open
bisan
kay-
na gidaot na sa tao, amigo gyapon.
Oo. Mawala na yung kailangan nakatiyahan.
Okay mo lang ingon. Halang stupid siya nga pagka-friend.
Dali man
Wala
ganina
siya,
sa
di ba?
pao na si Tumon kay pilingon kayo.
English pa din. Kay Kuan daw gano'n. Gitsatan po daw siya sa Filipino Christian. Gano'n, galagot ko sa naong niya. Medyo yung hampa ko, nagnaong. Hello, Gary.
Bayad na ka, Chin?
Sad way start the day.
Di bayad na ka, Chin?
Wala pa.
I'm just asking. Kay bayaran ko na niya.
Kita mo ba yan?
Ganun to suman. I like your sawang. Malita jud kay ka. Kaya mo na po kagdakog ko mo na. Mas nanawa ko ko mo. Mas dako. Peace man. Nawan. On her.
Oscar!
What's funny days, guys? On her copying me my words you want to love. Hello, Juan Hernandez. Para kang si Garcia Hernandez. Will you marry me?
No.
Kiss my ass first.
Marry you because you're a bitch.
Kiss my ass. dying inside.